Dating women made me understand men. ये वीडियो मैंने अभी तक खुद नहीं देखा है, बट द टाइटल वॉज इनफ टू पीक द क्यूरियोसिटी विद इन, और मैंने सोचा क्यों ना हम साथ में ही मिलकर देख लें। अब जैसे ये वीडियो मैं प्ले करने वाला था, एक चुल होती है कि कमेंट सेक्शन खोलकर देख लेते हैं क्या है। द कमेंट्स आर हिलेरियस। द फैक्ट दैट वी हैवंट इवन वॉच द वीडियो येट, तो हमको एक्जैक्टली पता नहीं है कि वीडियो का कॉन्टेक्स्ट क्या है। टाइटल देखकर आप अंदाजा लगा सकते हो, बट एक्जैक्टली वीडियो में उन्होंने बोला कि हमको पता नहीं है, विच इज व्हाट मेक्स द कमेंट्स इवन फनीयर। नंबर 2, ट्रिगर वार्निंग। सम ऑफ देम आर काइंड ऑफ ऑफेंसिव। बाद में बोलना मत, मैंने वॉर्न नहीं किया। आई वेंट ऑन अ डेट विद दिस वन गर्ल एंड शी स्टेड ऑन अ फोन द होल टाइम. I just hate when that happens. Not that I've been on a lot of dates, but still. So I finished my food quick, went to the register, paid for my half of the meal and left. 2 men on a date. Check arrives. Page double. This one's a little dark. Imagine what she will feel when she realizes the first time a man gets flowers is at his funeral. I mean, it's fine if you don't want to give me flowers, that's kind of gay. No, but on a serious note, शायद से ये कोई स्टिग्मा, एक कल्चरल ट्रेडिशनल थिंग है। लॉन्डो को यूजुअली फ्लावर्स नहीं मिलते हैं, यूजुअली, ऐसा नहीं कि कभी नहीं मिलते हैं। I have had the fortunate opportunity to receive one because of my lovely girlfriend, and I have seen a few do it for their men as well. So ये बस एक मजाक जैसा ले लो और कुछ नहीं।
So as you may remember, I came out as bisexual last year.
Huh? That's a way to start the video. I mean, I'm not a regular follower, so मेरे लिए थोड़ा surprise था, but good. You have all my attention at this point. But then again, if she dated women to understand men better, she has to be bisexual in the first place.
And since then, I have been dating women. And what I found very fascinating is that the more I date women, the more I find myself understanding heterosexual men. Let me explain.
Me date exhibit A. Oh, I like how she's put all of these AI things in, but this video is like 6 years old. 6 साल पहले AI था क्या? पता नहीं, normal editor होगा.
Exhibit A. I was on a first date with a girl who asked me out, by the way. This is relevant because when the check came, she never once made a move to pay. Not even like the fake, let me reach for my purse move. And though I don't mind paying on a date, part of me felt like...
वो पेटीकोट से पैसा निकालते हैं, वैसा पैसा निकाला है उसने, fuck. And also now we understand the second comment. 2 men on a date, check arrives, both pay. So yeah, again, the paying part on a date, ये एक बहुत ही recently controversial topic है, क्योंकि traditionally, if you go out on a date, it's the man who usually pays for it. It's accepted, it's widely known, but recently लोग उसके ऊपर भी काफ़ी चर्चा कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि लोगों को realize हो चुका है कि नहीं, equality तो इसमें भी होनी चाहिए, सिर्फ दूसरी चीज़ों में क्यों, and there have been a lot of debates. मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस से है, आज तक जितने भी डेट्स पर मैं गया हूँ, we have usually split. I don't know what you think about it, but yeah, we have done that. And that is because both of us are working, both of us are earning most of the times, and it just makes more sense to do it. And I believe women who work, who make their own money, they understand कि पैसे का वैल्यू होता क्या है. You can't just keep spending it on everybody like that. So they respect your hard-earned money, and that's how you split usually. इसमें मेरा टेक ये है, whoever asks you out on a date first, if I was the one to invite and ask her out, I believe it is kind of my responsibility to pay for it because I was the one to invite. Think about it. अगर आप बर्थडे पार्टी पे किसी को बुलाते हो, केक का पैसा या खाने का पैसा तो उनसे नहीं लोगे ना, आपका ट्रीट है वो, आप उनको ट्रीट कर रहे हो, it's your invitation. But ultimately, bro, it's your life, your rules, your money, your girl, your guy. Do whatever you like to do. आपको जैसा सही लगता है, आप जैसा कंफर्टेबल हो वैसा करो. पैसे है भरो, नहीं है सामने वाले को भरने दो, उसके पास भी नहीं है, जूते की लेस बांध लेना वहां से दौड़ के भागने के लिए.
Part of me felt like, the offer would have been nice. I was also a little taken aback that she didn't even say thank you. And
that's ungrateful.
I never heard from her again. It really made me feel like she just asked me out so she could have a free dinner. And the moment I thought that, I was like, oh my God, I sound like all of my...
I'm so surprised. I'm not surprised. I'm actually glad she realizes this, क्योंकि ये common है. ये uncommon चीज़ नहीं है. ये बहुत बार होता है. You go out on a date with a pretty attractive lady. She eats. You pay the bill. The conversation is also not that bright. It's kind of a dull conversation. They never call you back. आपको एक कूपन जैसा यूज किया बेसिकली, और कुछ नहीं. एंड अगेन, नॉट ऑल वुमेन, ओके, नॉट ऑल ऑफ देम डू दिस. ये होता है बट हमेशा नहीं होता.
My guy friends right now. And my argument against why guys should pay for dates has always been like, look, girls take hours to get ready. Our investment is looking really nice for you. Makeup, clothes, that costs money too. But we were both girls in this situation. We both took hours to get ready, so I definitely felt slighted. Exhibit B.
And also about the makeup logic, yes, I agree to it to a certain extent. Understandable point, but इसको बहुत लोग decode already कर चुके हैं. But the tradition of the guy always paying, ये बहुत पहले से है, बहुत पुराना tradition है. Because usually back then it was only the men who were going to work, it was only the men who were making money. So yes, it was a natural thing for them to pay the bill, because obviously the woman most of the times wasn't running her own business or she didn't have a job for herself. ये पुराने time की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. But yeah, we just do it because we like doing it for you. It feels good to be the provider, to be the one to take care of someone like that. Feels good. तो उसका लॉजिक थोड़ा सा भी चेंज हो गया, उसका मीनिंग जितना स्वीट था इनिशियली उतना स्वीट और प्यारा नहीं बचा. इट्स ऑल कम डाउन टू मैथ्स एंड कॉम्पिटिशन एंड +1 -1. तो बहुत अजीब सा हो गया है वो चीज़. एक स्वीट जेस्चर नहीं बचा अभी वो.
On another date, I went back to a girl's house and I ended up making friends with her cat. That's not a pun. I'm talking about her literal, actual animal.
Oh shit, मैंने उसके बारे में सोचा भी नहीं.
And she said, "Wow, my cat never likes anyone. I better go out and buy a wedding dress."
That went from 0 to 100 real quick. Very quick.
And again, I felt like I got some serious perspective. I have been guilty of making these kinds of jokes on dates with men. I never really thought anything of it. I was just being silly.
Very, very, very important point. मैं इसी के लिए रुका था. Women, if you're watching this video, understand the casual flirt or the casual serious things that you say out loud, जो आपके दिमाग में maybe बस एक हल्का फुल्का meaningless pun है, हल्का फुल्का meaningless flirt है. Believe me, लड़कों के लिए वो मजाक नहीं होता. Simple logic behind it is, every single day you must be getting 2 million compliments from a lot of men, even women. A lot of good things you hear about yourself, a lot of तारीफें, a lot of showers of little flirts here and there. आदमियों के जीवन में maybe 10 साल में 2 बार ऐसा एक बारिश आता है, एक ऐसा बादल आता है, छोटा flirt आ गया, छोटा सा compliment आ गया. Most men tend to take it really seriously. Trust me when I say this. You guys are accustomed to it. आप लोगों को आदत हो चुकी है, आप लोगों के लिए इतना वैल्यू नहीं है उसका, because supply demand, that's how it works. There's a lot of supply towards you, so the demand is less. There is barely any supply to men when it comes to such flirtatious statements that sound silly to you. इसलिए demand बहुत ज़्यादा है. You have no idea how many hearts you must have broken by just a casual silly little flirt by now.
But then when I was on the receiving end of it, I suddenly understood the panic. And finally, Exhibit C. One girl invited me back into her house, and her specific words were, "Do you want to come in and make out?" Obviously, I'm like, yeah, you're really pretty. I want to press my face to yours. But then when we got there, we both just sat on the couch and she talked till like 3 a.m. And I was like, yo, girl, I gotta wake up at like 6 a.m. I was told there would be kisses here. There are no kisses. And like, look, I don't want to sound like an asshole. Like,
Fishing. Another word for this is fishing. Just तुम्हारा attention ले लिया, तुम्हारा complete time ले लिया, and you get nothing in return.
I don't mind talking. I love talking. But she could have said, do you want to come in and just talk? And I would have had totally different expectations for the evening. You know, finally I started falling asleep and I was like, hey, I gotta go. And I gave her one kiss and left. And I felt sad that the amount of kisses promised did not equal the amount of kisses delivered.
Sad,
and once again, I
sad.
felt like a dude who was upset that I did not receive the expected physical kisses I was promised. And I wanted to talk about this because I felt like this has really been expanding my perspective.
Also, ये मेरा understanding है, ये मेरा analysis है over all of these years that I've seen, I've experienced myself personally. दोस्तों का stories मैंने सुना है. मेरा एक observation ज़रूर रहा है. Women who call you in with a different agenda and end up doing something completely different, usually उनके साथ होता है who are still not over somebody else. For example, if she just got out of a serious relationship, she just broke up with someone, she is in love with someone else and all she's trying to do is distract herself. क्योंकि याद रखो, if she's not physically available to you in that spot and you guys are just talking, there is a deeper reason behind it. There's a deeper meaning behind it. Usually if you guys are attracted to each other, the girl genuinely likes you. It shouldn't be that hard. But if it is, most times than not, it is because she's trying to get over someone else and using you as recovery. Simple as that. और अगर ऐसा आप में से किसी के साथ हुआ है तो please let me know. I would love to know your story. You don't have to use your real account. आप कोई different name से आ सकते हो. क्योंकि मेरे दोस्तों के साथ हुआ है एंड इट वॉज रियली फनी बिकॉज इट वॉज द सेम हाउस एंड दे वर जस्ट इन अ डिफरेंट रूम एंड व्हेन दे वेंट इन इट वॉज ऑल वो समथिंग्स अबाउट टू हैपन एंड व्हेन दे कम आउट 5-6 hours later and we ask our friend कि क्या हो गया भाई, पता did you, and his only response is भाई we had a deep conversation all night long. उसको पता नहीं उसका कट गया, लेकिन उसका कट गया. I'm not saying you can't have a quality conversation with a girl, but I'm talking about the context here.
I finally understand a lot of the complaints my male friends have about dating that I admit I would usually dismiss.
Sometimes I feel like a girl doesn't even like me for me. She just wants like a boyfriend.
I would.
Bro, that was deep. That was actually deep. 1 second.
I feel like a girl doesn't even like me for me. She just wants like a boyfriend.
Yeah, that is the case sometimes. It's not actual attraction. It's not even passion or love. It's just a tag. I have a boyfriend. Just a tag. Objectify. हम भी objectify होते हैं बहुत बार.
So what about you? Have you had any experiences that have shifted?
Interesting little video. And jokes apart, for all of you watching out there, और अगर आप अभी single हो या currently किसी को date कर रहे हो या date पर जाने का आपका plan है, don't worry, don't be scared. It is not actually that scary. It is not always that toxic or negative. The problem is, and I believe ये major reason है कि dates का इतना खराब हो जाना, is because men go in with a lot of expectations and women show up with a lot of delusions. अब उसको कैसे इंटरप्रेट करना है वो आपके ऊपर है, बट इट विल मेक अ लॉट ऑफ सेंस टू यू एज यू गेट मोर एक्सपीरियंस, एज यू गो आउट मोर ऑफन एंड यू स्टार्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग पीपल इन जनरल. एंड ऑल्सो टू द मैन आउट देयर, स्टीरियोटाइप बन चुका है ना कि लड़कियाँ आती है बस डेट पे पैसा भर के बिल भरवा के चली जाती है, रिटर्न में कुछ नहीं मिलता, इक्वालिटी, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, ऑल दीज कॉम्पिटिशंस, ऑल दीज थिंग्स, दे आर नॉट द जनरल रियलिटी. बिलीव मी, dates are fine, love is a beautiful thing, attraction, passion, all these things you should feel. इतना मत घबराओ, इतना मत डरो. और बहुत बार गलती लॉन्डो की होती है ये सिचुएशन में. दे डू नॉट ट्राई इट फॉर देयर एंटायर लाइफ्स टिल दे स्टार्ट वर्किंग, टिल दे स्टार्ट अर्निंग, टिल दे आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ऑल ऑफ अदर थिंग्स. वो लोग को क्या लगता है कि अगर पैसा होगा मेरे पास, अगर जॉब होगा, सेटलमेंट होगी, तब जाके अच्छी लड़की मिलेगी. दैट इज़ नॉट द केस. दैट इज़ नॉट हाउ इट वर्क्स. इट इज़ इंपॉर्टेंट टू हैव मनी, इट इज़ इंपॉर्टेंट टू हैव अ करियर, बट लेकिन अगर आप दुनिया में जाओगे और आपके पास ऑफर करने के लिए सिर्फ आपका पैसा और करियर है, नेचुरली आपको वैसी ही लड़की मिलेगी जिसका गोल भी सिर्फ आपका पैसा और आपका करियर है. इट्स जस्ट सिंपल लॉजिक. एंड ट्रस्ट मी व्हेन आई से दिस, मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल इन लव आउट देयर हु आर इन अ स्टेबल रिलेशनशिप, those guys never even went on a first date. Yeah, it just happens. You don't have to go on a first date to actually find somebody who loves you and you love them. It doesn't have to be that formal. ये बॉलीवुड, हॉलीवुड सीरीज वगैरह सब देख के दिमाग थोड़ा ख़राब हो चुका है लोगों का. डेट इज़ जस्ट अ टाइनी पार्ट ऑफ इट ऑल. डेट्स कैन बी एनीथिंग. यू कैन गो आउट ऑन अ मिलियन डेट्स एंड यू कैन स्टिल फॉल इन लव ओनली वंस. ये ऐसा लिख के प्री प्लान नहीं आता, ये एक ट्रांजैक्शन नहीं होता है. इट जस्ट हैपन्स नेचुरली. सो यस, डोंट बी स्कैर्ड टू गो आउट देयर. एंड अबाउट द पेइंग द बिल पार्ट इज कंप्लीटली सब्जेक्टिव. आपको क्या कंफर्टेबल है, आपके डेट को क्या कंफर्टेबल है, वॉट यू गाइज कैन डू, दैट्स कंप्लीटली ऑन यू मैन. नोबडी गिव्स अ फक, नोबडी केयर्स. एज लॉन्ग एज यू गाइज आर हैविंग अ गुड टाइम, यू गाइज आर एंजॉइंग द मोमेंट, यू गाइज माइट फॉल इन लव. दैट्स ऑल दैट्स नीडेड, और कुछ नहीं. Anyway, this is it. This was my last video for the week. वीकेंड को मैं शायद से नहीं हूँ. लाइव स्ट्रीम का प्लान था बट वो कैंसिल करना पड़ेगा. प्लान है कि मैं मेरे दोस्त के घर जाने वाला हूँ. मेरे मित्रगण जो है हम सब मिलने वाले हैं एंड वी आर गोना वॉच F1. मैं F1 देखता भी नहीं हूँ, मैं बस वहाँ पर जा रहा हूँ बियर के लिए. आई डोंट इवन फॉलो F1. सो येस, आई विल सी यू गाइज नेक्स्ट वीक. एन्जॉय योर वीकेंड. आई विल गो नाउ. या बार पर बाय नहीं बोल सकता हूँ. गुड बाय. डिड आई जस्ट से गुड बाय अगेन?